nice view.
Sorry?
I was just wondering if you could see her clearly, or would you like me to move for you?
What are you talking about, darling?
You're so pathetic. Yeah, I saw you.
You saw me what?
Staring at her pants.
What? That's ridiculous.
She's very beautiful.
Do you think?
Yeah. So what were you looking at then? Because I saw you.
Oh, that? Did you think I was... Oh, no, babe, that's too funny. No, it was her book.
Oh, her book?
Yeah.
Right. And what book would that be then?
L'étranger.
L'étranger.
Yeah.
You know it, do you?
Oh, yeah. It's seminal.
Albert Camus, unless I'm mistaken.
It is, yeah. The book made quite an impact on me as a teenager.
Really?
Camus, yeah. That book changed my life.
So, what's it about then?
Sorry?
Book that changed your life.
I don't want to go into that right now.
Oh, come on. Book that changed my husband's life. I should know about that. Go on. You know I love a good story.
Well, you know, it's French. It's about a man who's an étranger.
Étranger.
Étranger, yeah. So a stranger, basically. And anyway, he goes on quite an adventure, you know. New man in town, and the locals, they're really difficult to break.
Oh.
So he starts out as a stranger, and then through these beautifully crafted series of events, he eventually becomes accepted as the new sheriff.
Sheriff?
Yeah, it's kind of like a French Western.
Ah, that does sound life-changing.
Yeah, well, it really was.
Oh. I'm so sorry to disturb you. Shh. Just wondering if you could help me.
Of course.
I really think we should leave this young lady alone.
It's okay, she doesn't mind. I couldn't help noticing that book you were reading.
Really? L'étranger? It's truly a wonderful piece of writing.
Well, you know, my husband was just saying the same thing.
Really? You know it?
I read it quite some time ago, you know.
It's the most extraordinary character. His inability to lie and his ability to live so much in the present. Amazing creation.
Yeah.
And still he ends up the sheriff.
Excusez-moi.
No, I was just saying, isn't it so remarkable how he can be so truthful and still wind up sheriff of the town? How he just clears up that town, doesn't he?
I think you may have the book a little confused.
Really?
Well, yes, this is a book about the fundamental existential crisis of a man that doesn't want to live under the restrictions that society imposes upon him, upon all of us.
So it's not a Western?
No. Is there a problem?
We should leave now.
Actually, no. Oh, no. Actually, I would like to apologize.
Apologize.
On behalf of my husband, yeah. I'm afraid he's been staring at your pants.
God's sake, Molly! I'm really sorry about my wife, okay? She's had a bit too much to drink.
No. On the contrary, it's my husband who's been affected by the drink. But I have a bit of advice for you. Next time you're in a pub alone, you might want to be a bit more careful. Pick up our stuff. We're going.
Look, I really am just very, very sorry.
Would you like to look again?
Sorry?
We all need to look now and again.